is from Myfirstwig. She is a cute, kinky textured bob. What I love about these units from Myfirstwig, they're definitely beginner friendly. In this install, I am not going to be using any type of adhesive. I wanted to go ahead and kind of pluck some of that hairline a little bit. She was a little dense for my liking, so I went in and just tweezed her up just a little bit. So like I said, I am tweezing that hairline, and then I will go in and flat iron her out as well. This step is definitely self-explanatory. This wig was extremely easy to put on. I love the texture. I would definitely do more fun things with her. Y'all see how I'm putting her in different styles and everything? I don't know, she just needed body and layers. The hair looks extremely natural.